Good morning. It's bright and early on a Monday morning, and as you can see, I started off my day, my work from home day, I should say, making a cup of tea and coming into my home office and doing a little work. I just wanted to give you a little bit of behind the scenes on how I spend my days when I'm working from home. So it's about 7:30 in the morning now. My workday starts at 7. And I think today I'll work for a few hours, then I'll do a little bit of workout on my lunch break because I'm trying to shed some of these pounds. And then I'm expecting a Sephora package from the Sephora Fall Sales event. And if I get that today, then I'll go ahead and do a little bit of a haul, show you what I picked up. And then I think I want to make dinner today. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather still, so I want to make myself some chicken noodle soup. It's real simple, real easy, but tastes so good. So I'll show you how I do that, and then we'll wrap up the day. Okay, so it's later in the day. I just got off of work. I actually ended up doing my workout at lunch, which I'm so proud of myself for. I'm so glad that I didn't procrastinate, try to put it off to like, oh, I'll do it after work or oh, I'll do it before I go to bed. I just got it out the way during lunch. So I'm feeling healthy and in my skinny girl era. The stuff that I ordered from the Sephora sale did end up coming. So I will really quickly show you a few items that I bought. Then after that, I think I'm gonna have some dinner and call it a night. So the Sephora sale started on Friday, October 31st for Rouge members. And then on November 4th, the sale is open to VIB and insider level members. I'm a Rouge member. And I didn't feel like going to the store on Friday. So I just went ahead, placed an online order so that I can be guaranteed the things that I wanted. There's a couple of things that I thought were gonna sell out, so I went ahead and did an order. A few of the items are just replenishing kind of my basics, and then I bought a couple of splurge things. All right, let's start with the free samples and a few products that I picked up with my points. So this first one is the Tatcha, the Kiss You Lip Tint. And I'm not even going to talk about how disappointed I am these days with Sephora samples. They're so cheapy. And that's what it looks like. And then the next sample that I chose was the Fenty Beauty long wear concealer samples. There's a bunch of samples on the back here. And so I was just interested in maybe trying out a Fenty concealer. So hopefully one of these swatches will match my skin tone. And then I picked up a few things with my points. So this is the Nutrafol hair serum for women. And I take Nutrafol hair vitamins, so I was interested in what this hair serum would be like. I really like the vitamins. I'm hoping this hair serum will help with the thickness of my hair. And then I got this Moroccan oil hair treatment. I've never used Moroccan oil products before, so I just thought this would be a good time to give it a try. And I'm thinking maybe I would use this as a hot oil treatment or just an oil on my hair. We shall see. And then a product that I also haven't used before is the any whey products actually. But this is the body cream. And I've heard good things about whey. Is that how you say it? Whey? Ooh, that is really thick. Ooh, and it smells yummy. It has like a coconut smell to it. I picked up a Pattern styling cream, and this, if you're not familiar with Pattern, this is a Tracy Ellis Ross hair care line. And I love the styling cream. I use it for when I do my twist outs or my braid outs, or just if I want to twist my hair into a protective style. I do a lot of protective styles on my hair during the winter time, and this one just infuses so much moisture. It makes my hair feel soft and hydrated. I feel like my hair just soaks up the moisture when I have this in. So I swear by this stuff. Every sale, I'm picking up a jar, and it usually lasts me until the sale happens again. And then I picked up another hair care product, Ryogeo Farewell to Frizz, and it's a blow dry protectant. So I use this after I wash my hair. I put this on and then I blow dry it, and it protects my hair from the heat. So of course it's a heat protectant, but it's also like a detangler. So oh, I love this. It's my favorite. It's one of my holy grails. And my everyday moisturizer that I've been using for years is the Clinique Moisture Surge. And during the sales, I always pick up the largest bottle so that it can last me a few months. This is the 4.2 ounce size, and I think it's normally $88. So I always use the sale to pick it up. I love this one because it's more of a gel-like consistency, and it's perfect for my skin type. I think it's like combination oily dry. Like it gets oily sometimes, but like sometimes in the winter time I have dry patches. But most of the time it's a little bit oily, and this is perfect because it's like a water-based gel consistency, which doesn't make my skin any oilier than it might be. So love. I did buy a couple of makeup items. The first one is the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 7 Freedom Palette. And I have been hearing so much buzz about this. And when I was looking at it on the Sephora website, I was just like blown away by all of the colors on this palette and how it's a modular palette. So you can break up the different sets of palettes and stack them together, and they're really travel friendly, and it comes with like a travel pouch and like all the things. So even though it was like $128 with 20% off, put it around maybe $100, I was thinking that it was worth it because of all of the things that it can do. You get a little travel pouch. The colors are very unique. Even though I really don't need another eyeshadow palette, Danessa got me, and I just had to see what all the hype was about. And the next thing that I bought, I'm so excited about because I've always wanted one of these, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. Okay, I took it out the box, and this is what it looks like. It is stunning to me, so very pretty. I've always wanted an Advent calendar during the holidays, and this is my first one. I decided to go with this one because it looks like a jewelry box and it is reusable. So these little drawer compartments, once you take out the item inside, you can use it to store other things in. So it is completely reusable, and it's so pretty that it will look nice right on my vanity or on my dresser or whatever, wherever I decide to put it. And it looks like it has a zodiac or astrological theme to it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little astrological symbols, and I just think this is so pretty. It's sold out now on Sephora, but you can get it on Nordstrom. I saw it on the Nordstrom website and probably a couple other places. This was regular price $220 with 20% off. I think it was like $176. I love Charlotte Tilbury products. I have several of them, so I know I'll use a lot of the things inside. With these advent calendars, maybe you can even give some of the things away as gifts for Christmas. We shall see. But I'm actually going to use this as an advent calendar and open a box every day leading up to the 12 days of Christmas. All right, so now that that's done, I'm going to go make dinner. I am making chicken noodle soup because I haven't been feeling well for the last couple of weeks. And chicken noodle soup is just such a good comfort meal in the fall and the winter time. And it's super easy to make. So I will bring you with me and we'll make some chicken noodle soup together.